In step number 4, we talked about protecting your equipment. We went over the insurance, but this is step number 5. And step number 5, guys, is your brand and your logo. Come up with a logo that's renowned, but that's simple. Now, when you guys think of big brands like Starbucks, like Nike, you guys can just visualize it, and it means so much. So when you guys are coming up with your logo, and the reason I use this towards the very end and not the very beginning steps is because I don't want you guys to spend too much time thinking of a logo, all right? The logo should be simple, attractive colors, and boom, that's it. Try to keep it anywhere from 2 to 3 colors at max when it comes to your logo. Now, if you have absolutely zero experience and you don't want to create your own logo, just remember that if you go on Fiverr, you guys can hire someone to make a logo for you, and they'll charge you around $10. They'll give you different samples. You go with this logo that you prefer the most, and boom, now you have it. Now make sure you get that logo in vector file, JPEG file, PDF file, transparent file. I think I said transparent already. That way, when you guys are ready to use that logo, not only for your social media, but also for your hats, for your shirts, you guys have those files to give to the designer, okay? And also, guys, you can also use Canva to create your own logo. However, like I said, leaving it to the experts on Fiverr and only spending $10 to $15 is the way that I would go. So keep your logo simple and try to have a vision for your logo, because it's gonna be the representation of your brand. All right, cool. All right.